the national
I believe the
president.
inauspicious period is also starting sometime.
So they have.
So you may have things before that
14 December
happening.
is like right there. I mean,
that's why I think
right
10 more
there.
days to go.
That right there. I mean, that will be a big move politically, even while the parliament session is on. But opposition, I mean, are they still trying? Because election commission feels that they are on track. 99% of the forms have come back. The enumeration forms are all back. So this BLO protest, Sanjay Singh has given a notice. Others are giving notice as well. But unlike Bihar, will you, see a difference where again the column will come, objection from opposition parties, 0, claims and objections, 0. Is that how things are going?
Yesterday in the parliament, Akhilesh Yadav told me that he's himself filled up the SIR form.
Okay.
So, that is very clear that the opposition parties also know. He was hinting to me, Akhilesh Yadav, after he gave his bite, that, our work is also now increased because we have to ensure our voters are part of the SIR. So, we have to also, make our karyakartas go to our voters house to house and ensure that they have filled the form, because if they don't fill it up, they might get eliminated from the record. So I think opposition parties have also become very cognizant that the SIR exercise will happen. We can't stop it, and because the Supreme Court has given it a green signal.
I don't think there's a nuanced difference between, say, the Congress and TMC and the Samajwadi Party. The Congress is like, like that bull which just goes in. We can't see anything. Everything is wrong about the SIR and Election Commission, because that's how Rahul Gandhi thinks. Mamata Banerjee's protests are a little bit more nuanced. She's also sometimes focusing on the suicide of the BLOs. Don't commit suicide. She knows that SIR exercise has to be done, but what she's objecting to it is the way it's being done. Rahul Gandhi is objecting to the SIR itself. Samajwadi Party is saying, like you correctly pointed out, Samajwadi Party is saying कि SIR करना है, I have also done it. So you're leading by example. Sometimes you don't have to start opposing. Delhi is also one of the places where the SIR is happening, right? So I'm going to wait to see. So far, Rahul Gandhi has not filled up the form. We'll wait to see whether he's going to fill up the form as well.
Little more time, because elections have just gotten over. Delhi and Maharashtra could take a little more time. But talking about the claims and objections, again, I'm asking you this because Election Commission is pointing this out. If you indeed think SIR is equal to vote chori, why are you not filing claims and objections? 0 was the column in Bihar all through till the last leg.
Rahul Gandhi did reply to this as press conference. He said, "आप चोर के पास जाके थोड़ी चोरी की बात करोगे? You will not complain about a theft to a thief. So why should we go to Election Commission and tell them that you are stealing our votes?" So that's his political narrative.
Who does Rahul Gandhi want to go to? Scotland Yard.
International travels hai aajkal Rahul Gandhi ka,
They went to Supreme Court and that didn't work for them. The petitioners are still trying very hard. But like Pallavi is pointing out, now I think it's more nuanced. And Election Commission too is smiling over it, because now the position is not that SIR should not happen. Now the position is, why are you pushing it through in this manner? Why are you not giving us enough time? So that's a nuanced position. But Bharatiya Janata Party appears very confident that this is one thing that is going in their favor. But there's the other big issue also, other than SIR, which is the Sanchar Sathi app.